Before we begin, look at this. This cinematic cafe scene, soft lighting, snow falling outside, emotional mood, was created using AI in just a few seconds. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you something that can completely change how you create content. If you're a content creator, freelancer, or running an online store, you know how much time, effort, and money goes into creating good content. Photo shoots, editing, brainstorming ideas. It takes hours, sometimes days. But what if you could skip all that? With Wery AI, you can turn a simple idea into ready-to-publish content in minutes. Not just fast, but emotional, cinematic, and high-quality content that actually grabs attention and connects with people. It's like having your own creative team, available anytime. Instead of spending time thinking what to create, Wery AI helps you go from idea, visual, final content in just a few clicks. You don't need skills, you don't need experience. Just type what you imagine, and AI handles the rest. Visuals, mood, storytelling, everything. And this is where it becomes powerful, especially for e-commerce. Because now, you can create product photos, lifestyle images, video ads, social media content, all without hiring models or shoot setups. Let's start with image generation. You simply describe your idea. Prompt: a highly detailed, realistic image of a cozy winter cafe interior, a stylish young woman sitting comfortably on a chair holding a cup of hot coffee, warm ambient lighting, soft shadows, wooden furniture, aesthetic interior design, snow visible through a large glass window, cinematic composition, ultra-realistic textures, depth of field, 8K resolution, emotional storytelling, Instagram aesthetic, and within seconds, you get stunning, realistic results. Every image feels alive. Every detail feels intentional. Imagine you're selling coffee, perfumes, or fashion products. You can create premium lifestyle shots like big brands without spending thousands on production. Image to image, enhanced. Now let's take it further. Upload any image and transform it. Prompt: add a realistic young man sitting across the girl at the same cafe table, matching lighting, shadows, and perspective perfectly. Maintain the cozy winter atmosphere, ensure natural interaction between both characters, keep consistent color grading, realistic facial expressions, cinematic depth of field, high detail, seamless blending, photorealistic output. And just like that, the AI blends everything naturally. It doesn't look edited, it looks real. Perfect for product variations, /B testing ads. Now this is where things get really powerful. You can turn ideas into cinematic videos. Prompt: a cinematic video scene of a young woman sitting in a cozy winter cafe, holding a cup of coffee, slowly taking a sip, snow falling outside the window, soft warm lighting, gentle camera movement, slow dolly in, emotional atmosphere, realistic motion, natural facial expressions, depth of field, film-style color grading, 4K video quality, and what you get. It is not just a video, it's a feeling, it's a story. For brands and creators, you can create scroll-stopping reels, TikToks, and ads that actually make people pause and feel something. Image to video. You can even animate a single image. Upload a photo. Prompt: animate this image into a cinematic video where the subject gently moves. Natural blinking and breathing motion, slight head movement, background elements subtly animated, soft camera push-in effect, realistic lighting consistency, smooth transitions, cinematic feel, high-quality motion, emotional storytelling. And suddenly, a static image becomes alive, perfect for turning product images into engaging video ads instantly. So as you can see, Wery AI is not just saving you time. It's giving you the power to create content that feels premium, emotional, and impactful. Content that doesn't just look good, but actually connects with people. Whether you're building a brand, growing a page, or selling a product, this can completely change your workflow. The link is in the description. Try it out and start creating something amazing. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.